What is up, friends? My name is Laura. If you've never visited my YouTube channel before, welcome. Okay, this is gonna be a bit of a different video. I feel like I'm always saying, but cooler this time. As many of you know, I do hiking all around the world, of course, including North America. In many countries, it does seem to downpour a lot, especially when I'm in the middle of nowhere hiking or exploring a city. I am an Arc'teryx lover. I will be honest, they're not cheap. They do have a lifetime warranty though. This is not sponsored in any way, but I've been in the market for a new rain jacket. So I've been doing my research online, and the main thing that I'm looking for, not even about like, of course you want it flattering and like lightweight, but honestly at the end of the day, don't get me wet in any way. I did get this jacket from REI, so I could take it back, but I honestly want to bring you through a quick video on me checking if it is. I am currently in California and it hasn't been raining recently, which is not a bad thing, but I will say I can't fully test this jacket out. In the upcoming months, I'm going to be going to places like Canada. You never fully know the weather there. Definitely I'm going over to Ireland, and it definitely can get some rain there. So I want to be prepared, and if I need to take it back, I can. That's why this video is a little bit fun. I have my Arc'teryx jacket. I'm gonna put the full name below if you are interested at all. I definitely don't know the full results, but I'm about to put the jacket on and show you in the shower. I'm gonna switch shirts so that if it comes through in any way, it's just a color that you totally can see. And I'm gonna stand in the shower quickly. I'll bring you through that, but I didn't wanna be in the shower right now. It's very echoey. And then I will do a full review. So let's go. All right, so I did just actually put it in this so that you can see. That way it kind of can be nice and compact, obviously, and it's fairly lightweight, which is obviously very, very nice. Again, that's not the main issue, so I can pull it out here quickly. Rolls up pretty well. Oh, let me change my shirt. Okay, I kind of went with this one because I know it shows sweat, so it probably will show water then as well. All right, and then I'm just gonna keep my black pants on because it doesn't really matter about that, but okay, let's put this on quickly. I think for the sake of this video too, I'm going to pull it all the way up. I think I'm actually going to put the hood on, just so that it can't just get in places, and that's what I'm complaining about. Okay. I'm a little warm for this, but let's go try this out. Also, if you are enjoying these kind of videos so that they're more educational, so that you know for your own hiking or travel gear, let me know in the comments below, but also just give it a quick like, because I'm about to go into the shower with a jacket and I feel like that deserves a like. All right, I am out of the shower. I am honestly very curious because I feel like I can feel a few very small wet spots, which is very valid. Like, it's never gonna probably be coming down on you as hard as it was there. But also, like, I've had water resistant jackets and they do nothing, so let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna stop here. The outside definitely stays like very, very wet. Oh my gosh, that's impressive. Look at that. And my pants are just absolutely soaked, by the way. I probably should have just showed you both wearing a different color, but I thought this was being more helpful. Yep. Literally not a drop, not a drop. Wow, I was expecting like a few, I think just because it was like steamy and humid in there, that it like felt a little bit warm. I was expecting a few little spots here and there. I will also show you, I'm sure it's like somewhat fast drying, but you can see that it is like soaked here. And this, I got out like maybe like 3 minutes ago, but it definitely just repels that Gore-Tex of that Arc'teryx. That was a really cool video. I had a lot of fun just shooting this. I hope that you enjoyed it too. I will do some more of these if you enjoyed them, but I will see you in the next one. I will next be going for a hike, so you don't want to miss it. See you next time. Keep living life. Bye.